Tad. Next we have the X room. Observe.
Hey, I can see inside myself.
Here we use X-rays to teach the X sound. No bones about it. The X makes the sound of X, as in box or fox. Give it a try. Extremely well done.
Excellent.
The X says, the X says, every letter makes a sound. The X says.
Hey, Professor, is that a letter Y?
Y as in yes.
Give me a Y sound.
Yeah.
Give me a Y sound.
Yeah.
What do the Y letters say?
Yeah. The Y says.
Yeah.
The Y says.
Yeah.
Every letter makes a sound. The Y says.
Yeah. We've searched A through X and no sign of Tad yet.
That leaves the Y and Z rooms. We better hurry or Dad will...
And it is this strict training that makes our letters remarkably dependable.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, and a bunch of other letters. Dad is almost done giving the tour to Mr. Websley.
Each letter outstanding at knowing its own sound.
The U says
The V says V.
The W says what?
The X says X.
The Y says you.
And the Z says...
Lullaby, Z, Z, Z. Catch some Z's when day is done. Zzz is your sound. Now go to sleep, my little one. He's had a busy day of learning his letters.
You mean Tad knows the alphabet?
Well, he sure knows his Z's.
He has learned them all, from A to Z.
He wanted to be part of the presentation and, well, I think I was too hard on him. Hey, I have an idea.
Tad, wake up! We have a big problem.
Yes, I'm your problem. Don't worry, I won't get in the way at your presentation.
That's just it. Leap lost his voice and we need your help. You know all of your letters, right?
You bet! And here's how we're gonna do it. Okay, first we start with the letter A, and then we're going to...
Where are Leap and Lily?
They went to look for Tad.
I'm ready for this presentation to start. Now!
Yes, sir. Well, if you could just wait 1 minute as my children were,
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, at this time we are proud to present the alphabet from A to Z. Some letters are made of straight lines, and some are curvy and round, but every letter makes a sound.
The A says ah! The B says
the C says
And the D says D.
The E says eh.
and the F says
The G says G.
And the H says...
the I says
And the J says J.
the K says
and the L says oh 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 oh. The M says
And the N says
The O says
And the P says...
The Q says qua.
And the R says
The S says
And the T says
The U says,
And the V says V.
The W says wah.
And the X says
The Y says yeah.
and the Z says,
And those are all the letters in the factory.
You do know all your letters, Tad.
Hey, I thought you lost your voice.
Oh, yeah, I just found it.
If you practice, it's not hard to learn your alphabet. Every letter makes a sound. Every letter makes a sound.
What you hear is what you get. Oh, yeah.
Consider me sold. My next book will be the Websley Talking ABC book. I need all of your letters and all of their sounds.
Outstanding! Thanks, everybody.
Leap, Lily, Tad, as a reward for knowing your letters, I present you not with T-shirts, but with Alpha Z shirts.
Yay! Thanks for everything, Big Brother.
You're the one that did it, little brother. And something tells me today you got a whole lot bigger.